Now I don't have to tell you the importance of a smoke alarm detector. The National Fire Protection Association reports that fire-related fatalities decrease by 55% when a working smoke detector is present. So it is never a bad idea to add another one to your home, especially a smart one. xsense hopes to offer a smart way of improving your home security and self-alertness in the case of a fire with their new smart fire alarms. Introducing the xsense Wi-Fi smoke alarms, designed to provide peace of mind with its impressive smart features. So let's take a look at these in more detail and unbox them. These are indeed pretty much ready from the box. You really only get the smoke alarms, mounting brackets, screws and wall anchors, pre-installed batteries, reset pin and a very basic user manual. However, with a simplistic unboxing experience comes an easy setup procedure. Immediately after removing the pull tab behind the battery, the xsense Wi-Fi smart alarms enter their pairing modes indicated by the rapid flashing of a blue LED under the button. Then we're going to want to download the corresponding smart app. When signed all up, all we need to simply do is head over to the Add button in the top right. Choose sensors from the list and then pick alarm. There we can begin to scan for the WXs and then just simply add your Wi-Fi credentials. After a couple of minutes you should be connected. If you have opted for the free pack you will need to do this for each of the alarms, but that's it. It's as easy as that. I would certainly recommend the free pack for peace of mind as you can place these in different areas of your home for that added security. Placing one in a living room, kitchen, office or bedroom will just give you a sense of comfort. With the WX Smart Smoke Alarms, you can control them remotely using the mobile app and receive fast notification for alarms, faults and low battery warnings. These smoke alarms are equipped with photoelectric sensors that can detect slow burning and smouldering fires. When one of the alarms is activated, you will not only get a notification sent to your phone, but you'll be able to see the location of where that alarm was set off, allowing you to know exactly where the fire or smoke has been detected. If we want to, we can actually go ahead and silence that alarm via the app without actually having to go all the way to the alarm and switch it off manually. Now this will come in useful if you are in a situation where you've burnt the toast. I can easily deactivate that alarm without having to go directly to the alarm itself and independently push the button. I can also silence it if I'm expecting to create some smoke of my own. The onboard alarm is quite loud. You certainly aren't going to miss it, that's for sure. At 85 decibels, it will ring through the house. This smoke detector has a great advantage in its app's functionality. You can share the device with family members and trusted personnel, who will also receive text notifications and in-app abilities. Overall, ensuring the safety of your home is crucial, especially when it comes to fire and smoke hazards. Protecting the lives of your loved ones is of utmost importance, which is why having reliable home monitoring systems are necessary. Smoke detectors can detect smoke before you've even noticed it and can potentially save your family's lives. The xsense Wi-Fi smoke alarms are an excellent choice as they can send important alerts and low battery warnings straight to your phone, just making it a highly valuable asset. Whatever your needs are, there is no doubt this could become a must-have for peace of mind. Be sure to check out the product in a link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.